Imagine a hidden, insidious war raging within the silent depths of your own body, an unseen conflict where microscopic invaders and accumulating toxins lay siege to your vital pathways, dulling your senses, and stealing your life force drop by imperceptible drop. Imagine a world where the very air you breathe, the food you eat, and the water you drink constantly introduce stealthy adversaries, forging chains of inflammation and creating a dense fog across your mental landscape. Picture your internal systems, once vibrant and pristine, slowly becoming a sluggish, overburdened battlefield, its defenses weakened, its energy reserves depleted by this relentless, silent onslaught. Envision the subtle yet persistent erosion of your cellular integrity, a gradual decay orchestrated by free radicals, leaving behind a trail of cellular debris and oxidative stress that clogs the delicate machinery of your existence. This isn't a dystopian fantasy, it's the quiet truth of modern life, an invisible threat against which our bodies often struggle to mount an adequate defense, leaving us vulnerable, fatigued, and unknowingly compromised. But what if an ancient, unassuming sentinel, often dismissed as a mere garnish, held the key to unlocking an inherent, fierce defense within you? What if a vibrant, peppery leaf, pulsating with an almost alchemical energy, possessed the forgotten wisdom to not merely mitigate, but actively dismantle these internal sieges? This isn't the gentle caress of a soothing herb, this is the audacious, fiery whisper of the mustard green, a botanical warrior with an ancestry stretching back through millennia, silently cultivating its potent arsenal beneath the unassuming veil of verdant foliage. Its very taste, a sharp, invigorating jolt, is a declaration, a primal call to awaken dormant internal processes, signaling a robust vitality that transcends mere nutrition. It carries an inherent intelligence, a complex genetic blueprint forged through eons of survival, equipping it with an extraordinary capacity to interact with and profoundly alter our internal chemistry, far beyond what our modern understanding often attributes to a simple vegetable. Deep within the cellular architecture of the mustard green lies a clandestine laboratory, where an extraordinary class of compounds known as glucosinolates stand poised for a dramatic transformation. These aren't just inert chemicals, they are dormant biological weaponry, awaiting a precise trigger to unleash their full power. When the plant tissue is ruptured, whether by a chewing herbivore or the meticulous act of human consumption, a specific enzyme named myrosinase is released, initiating a swift and potent chemical reaction. This process converts the glucosinolates into their active, highly reactive forms, isothiocyanates, nature's own microscopic commandos. This enzymatic reaction, responsible for the characteristic pungent, spicy flavor, is actually a sophisticated biochemical defense mechanism, a biological, mustard gas specifically engineered to deter predators, yet we harness this very defensive chemistry for our own profound internal benefit. This intricate, evolutionary marvel showcases the plant's ancient strategy for survival, a strategy we now unwittingly deploy to cleanse, fortify, and invigorate our own complex biological systems. Beyond this remarkable defensive chemistry, the mustard green orchestrates a different, yet equally vital, form of protection, deploying a formidable array of antioxidants, chief among them the multifaceted vitamin E. This isn't simply a singular nutrient, it's a dynamic complex, a molecular shield against the relentless assault of oxidative stress that constantly bombards our cells. The plant doesn't offer a mere trace, it delivers this essential micronutrient in abundance, actively integrating it into your body's cellular membranes, where it acts as a first line of defense, intercepting destructive free radicals before they can inflict irreparable damage. The particular forms of vitamin E, including alpha and gamma tocopherols, found so richly in mustard greens, don't just act in isolation, they engage in a complex, synergistic ballet with other phytonutrients within the plant, amplifying its antioxidant prowess far beyond what any single isolated supplement could ever achieve, creating a multi-layered, impenetrable cellular guardian. This intricate collaboration within the plant speaks to an ancient wisdom, a harmonious internal synergy designed to protect and preserve cellular integrity, now extended to protect yours. The impact of this verdant guardian extends deeply into the very rivers of life flowing within you, orchestrating a profound internal purification. Mustard greens actively engage in the intricate dance of blood cleansing, working tirelessly to filter and neutralize circulating toxins that accumulate from environmental exposure and metabolic processes. The powerful glucosinolate derivatives stimulate the liver's detoxification enzymes, converting harmful substances into more water-soluble compounds that can be efficiently eliminated from the body, acting as an internal sanitation crew. Simultaneously, its anti-inflammatory properties are nothing short of revolutionary. Imagine inflammation not as a fleeting discomfort, but as a smoldering fire, slowly consuming the delicate tissues of your organs and vessels, contributing to a myriad of chronic ailments. The compounds within mustard greens act as potent firefighters, dousing these internal flames, calming cellular irritation, and restoring equilibrium to inflamed tissues, reducing swelling and discomfort at a foundational level. This dual action, simultaneously purging and pacifying, transforms your internal environment, creating a cleaner, calmer, and more resilient physiological landscape. Then there is the immediate, visceral awakening, the sharp, peppery burst that dances on the tongue and signals a deeper metabolic cascade. This isn't merely a taste sensation, it's a sophisticated biological trigger. The very spiciness of mustard greens acts as a powerful digestive stimulant, awakening sluggish digestive enzymes, prompting the secretion of bile, and encouraging the smooth, rhythmic contractions of the gut, ensuring that nutrients are efficiently absorbed and waste products are swiftly expelled. It's a culinary alarm clock for your digestive system, rousing it from complacency into vibrant activity. Furthermore, this pungent sensation extends its influence to your circulatory system. The warming sensation you feel is an indicator of increased blood flow, a gentle yet persistent nudge to your cardiovascular network. This enhanced circulation ensures that oxygen and vital nutrients are delivered more efficiently to every cell, every tissue, and every organ, while simultaneously facilitating the removal of metabolic waste. It's an invigorating flush, revitalizing every corner of your being and infusing you with a palpable sense of internal energy and vitality. But the true marvel of mustard greens, its deepest secret, lies not just in its defensive chemistry or its potent nutrient profile, but in its very lineage and primordial struggle for existence. This isn't merely a cultivated crop, it's a descendant of wild brassicas, plants that didn't just survive but thrived in environments often considered hostile and contaminated. Think of ancient fields, perhaps scarred by volcanic ash or saturated with natural mineral deposits, where other flora withered. The ancestors of mustard greens developed their extraordinary detoxification mechanisms over unimaginable stretches of time, not just as a defense against herbivores, but as an inherent survival strategy to process and neutralize toxins within their own soil. This deep, evolutionary programming enabled them to cleanse themselves internally, transforming environmental adversities into the very compounds that now provide us with profound health benefits, long before humanity ever thought to cultivate or even understand them. This intrinsic ability to self-purify, to transmute the very essence of its challenging environment into potent life-enhancing chemistry, reveals a chillingly profound connection to survival, a blueprint of biological resilience encoded in its very DNA, waiting for us to unlock its ancient power. Consider for a moment the profound implication: this unassuming leaf isn't just a collection of chemicals, it is a living, breathing testament to millions of years of evolutionary refinement, a primal biological intelligence honed to perfection. Its structure, its chemistry, its very existence is an elegant, intricate program designed for survival and purification. The way its glucosinolates activate only upon cellular damage, the synergistic dance of its tocopherols, the deep-seated historical blueprint for processing environmental toxins, these are not random occurrences. They are the highly sophisticated, meticulously engineered outputs of a master architect, a silent alchemist of the plant kingdom. This verdant warrior represents a pinnacle of natural bioengineering, a powerful, self-renewing system that stands ready to integrate its ancient wisdom into your own physiology. It doesn't just offer nutrients, it offers a direct connection to a primal force of cleansing and resilience, a master key to unlocking your body's inherent capacity for self-repair and profound regeneration, transforming it from a simple dietary addition into an astonishing co-conspirator in your ongoing vitality. So, what other ancient, living secrets are we consuming, blindly trusting the superficial, while their true, terrifying power lies just beneath the surface?